Hello, my name is Haley Teller. I'm the president of Trap State's favorite a cappella group, Lost in Sound. I searched all over the school for the most hardworking, passionate, talented, loving people I could find. But then these guys showed up. I'm kidding, I love my babies. But no, yeah, we're all right.
My name is Megan Franklin. I'm the music director for Lost in Sound. I'm responsible for arranging the music, teaching it to everyone, and, making sure we sound good. It's a work in progress.
I'm Mia DeLong. I'm secretary. I'm in this group because I love music more than I hate people, I guess. I'm on exec because I hate the idea of people bossing me around. So now I boss them around. Do the kids hate me? Probably. Do I care? Yeah. But I'm not gonna let them know that.
Okay guys, we're doing great. We've almost learned a whole song. Yeah? Okay, doesn't quite sound the best, but we'll get there. We're kind of scratching everything else because
it's like garbage.
No. It's just because it seems a little too hard. Megan arranged Hooked on a Feeling by Blue Suede for us, so I know this is going to be one.
All right, everybody, get in your sections. We're gonna start warm-ups. Mia, are we missing anybody?
VP's missing, but that's not new.
We're going to just start without her. She's always late.
Hi, I'm Adam Wilson. I'm the vice president, and I'm here because it'll look good on my resume, and because I'm trying to get into the president's pants also. So, Haley, look at those pants! I like that color on you, and your glasses, little ethnic Clark Kent.
Ew, you reek of weed.
What perfume?
Is it Dank by Gucci?
We have a situation.
Lost in Sound has been invited to a showcase. All the a cappella groups are going to be there. We're going to sing a song or two.
Here's the deal. We suck.
We haven't gotten through a single song yet.
We always give up if it's too hard, or disagree or something.
I'm freaking out. If we mess up, this reflects badly on me. I'm the music director. Alright guys, so we're starting Hooked on a Feeling tonight. Tenors, altos, sopranos.
I can't wait. I know we're going to do great.
What'd she say? She thinks we'll do great? Gosh, she's so cute. Yeah, we're gonna do great.
You know what? This.
Here, where are you going?
You know what? I would be better off trying out for strong tries or not a chord. So, we lost a soldier last week, but we keep carrying on. So, we're over halfway through with Hooked on a Feeling, and it doesn't sound that bad. Like, we can start auditioning for soloists soon, and we've never gotten this far.
I can't stop this feeling
Deep inside of me, girl, you just don't realize what you did to me.
Ooga ooga chaka, ooga 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 chaka, ooga 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 chaka, ooga 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 chaka, ooga ooga chaka. And I hooked on a feeling. I'm high on belief. Sure in love with me.
We're pretty much finished with the song. We're just working out the kinks. Or what the
I don't want to talk about it.
really excited for this performance, our first performance. We finally figured out how everything clicks.
Hey everyone, this is Eliza. She's gonna judge us and decide whether we're good enough to perform in the showcase. So everyone get in your sections. Let's do it.
Ooga chaka, ooga, ooga, ooga chaka, ooga, ooga, ooga chaka, ooga, ooga, ooga chaka, ooga, ooga,
I
ooga
can't
chaka,
stop
ooga,
this
ooga,
feeling
ooga chaka, ooga, ooga,
deep
ooga
inside
chaka,
of
ooga,
me.
ooga chaka, ooga, ooga,
But
ooga
you
chaka,
just
ooga,
don't
ooga,
realize
chaka, ooga, ooga,
what you do
ooga
to
chaka,
me.
ooga, ooga, ooga chaka.
We did it. We finally did it. I arranged a song and like they did it. Like I taught it to them. We finally did it.
And I'm hooked on a feeling.
So we're dating.
We've been dating for 4
I
months.
believe that you're in love with me.
We're just really excited that the group finally got a footing and now it can just continue to get better and better.
And who knows, maybe next year we'll win acapella again.
You can't win acapella again. There's different groupings and titles.
We win it all.
Got a fuck from you, girl. I don't need no cure. I'll just stay a victim if I got it for sure. Oh, good love. When I'm all alone, keep it up good. Yeah, you turn me on.